Is there new scenery I haven't seen, sweetie? It must be fascinating since you've been so focused on it. The culprit is someone else. I refuse to take the blame for them. I know what you're looking for, so I dealt with it. What you want is in there. Flies who like to harass Anakinus are starting to buzz again. Dealing with them is a waste of time. I rushed over to watch the sunset with you. When I saw someone lingering outside the N109 zone, I thought she wanted to invite me. I thought you'd say, hey, Sylus, I heard there's a sunset today and it only happens once every 30 years. There's no way you'll refuse to watch it with me, right? Keep it on. We don't want you getting caught in the rain and catching a cold. Rainy days have their charm. It's perfect for listening to some music. It probably broke after the protocore was inserted. Do you want to accompany me for a trip? We'll visit a shop in the N109 zone to extract the protocore. You can take it back.
Happy birthday, dear boss man! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
For the first iteration of an April birthday party, we have extra special wishes for a very special...
Enough. Your performances are limited to 5 minutes from now on. I'll leave after. So where's the store's owner? You didn't throw him to the crows, right?
He's over here. Is this the secret spot you were talking about?
The repair shop from before is still better.
Exactly. We can grab the owner and tie him up. Then we'll have the place to ourselves. Our plans are proper too.
Boss man is always speechless. It touches his heart every time. I'll admit your creativity surpasses ours.
Bossman will definitely like this. I'll translate. Are you gonna do some kind of demonstration in the N109 zone?
It's not hard to see the motive.
Don't worry though. We'll make sure your plan goes off without a hitch.
If you happen to discover bonus surprises, you don't need to thank us.
No. He's saying...
Bossman is here!
Exercising in the park at 10 p.m. Your enthusiasm is admirable. That's precisely why I'm here, for some peace and quiet. Maybe I'll do morning strolls with a birdcage every day. Doing nonsensical things with you works too, like right now. Assuming you're still fond of this sort of kitten paddling exercise, I'll do it with you.
Position confirmed.
Congratulations on completing this part of the mission.
You're late? We'll start off with a demonstration. Did you notice anything? Why don't you try the one in your hand? Your thoughts are louder than the gunshots. You're trying to swindle me out of my gun. We can't even say that it has wear and tear. This is Anakinus's latest lightweight armor-piercing weapon. If we don't count me, you're the first person to test it. You said you wanted to be this gun's future owner. Aim and fire. Now you know. Don't worry, they're all yours. The first step to understanding a new weapon is taking it apart. And we're talking about Anakinus, sweetie. Getting guns isn't exactly a challenge. I modify the guns I regularly use. A weapon is an extension of your body. Can you trust another person with a part of yourself? I guess you have a more urgent matter.
There's a gang causing trouble nearby. We need to deal with them, so the test has to be moved up. 10. 9.
The weather has been unpredictable lately. and someone's behavior is equally unpredictable. A gift that can only be claimed after surviving a battle. I'm looking forward to it. Lead the way. Your surprises are connected perfectly. There hasn't been a break. I recognized it as soon as I saw it. Don't be upset. The best way to preserve a memory is to relive it again. Do you want to join me for another ride at night? The N109 zone will always be open to you. Only making a wish to my birthday cake is a little bland. Where's my happy birthday performance? I'm waiting. I think it's time for me to blow out the candles. A proper gift should always come with a bow. Its creativity exceeds the word unexpected. Why are you giving me a miniature version of myself? You've been waiting for a while. I don't recall disliking anything you've given me. So, what is this? It was in the box. Why don't you let me see? I'm curious about the story behind this plushie. What are you talking about? You weren't like that at all. I think you were extremely cute. You went through the trouble of making these preparations only to be caught off guard like this. They say when you spend enough time with someone, you change each other. I used to only rely on myself, so I never had anything to look forward to. But I've started to look forward to spending my birthdays with you now. You're the one who changed me. I think the entire N109 zone heard it. The world finished saying happy birthday. Now there's time that only belongs to us. I want to sit quietly with you for a while. Sleep if you're tired. I'll make sure you return home safe and sound.